guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this easy, gorgeous rubber band updo. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. My hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb, my shine and jam, my rubber bands, and my scrunchies to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. Because you know, I want to have a really nice cute style in the front, and then I'm going to work with the back later. So what I'll do is I'm just going to take my scrunchie and hold the rest of the hair in the back, and then I'll work with the front first. I'm just going to take my rat tail comb, and then I'm going to section my hair on my temple right there, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. Okay, so just make sure you're trying to make these lines really nice and straight or whatever. Anyway, so once I do that, I'm just going to take my shine and jam and apply it to the line just to make sure it's nice and clean. And then I'm going to be taking my scrunchie just to secure one side first, and then I'm going to section the line as well on the other side, sis. Okay, so it's going to be the exact same section, just on the temple right there. And then I'm going to take my shine and jam, apply it to the line just to make sure it is nice and clean or whatever. And that's about it, sis. So I'm just going to pull out my baby hair, so you know when we're done later on, we about to look cute, sis. So I have 3 sections on the top. Okay, and then I'm going to be sectioning that box first. So I'm going to section the first box. Once I do that, I'm just going to take my shine and jam and apply it to the line just to make sure it's nice and clean. Take my shine and jam, apply it to the box, making sure it is nice and clean. And while the rest of the hair is nice and secured away, that way it doesn't mess with me when I'm sectioning and when I'm trying to sleek this hair down, sis. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to take my rubber band and secure the hair. Not way too tight, sis, that you're going to break your hair or anything like that. Okay, just gonna section the hair into 2, give it a little tug. Once I do that, I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to the remaining of my natural hair, and then I will twist it down. So sis, I love to twist my hair down once I secure it because my hair is thick. If your hair is not as thick, you can just piggyback it from one section to the second section. I'm going to section the second box, and then I'm going to do the same exact technique, and then I'm going to take my shine and jam, apply it to the hair, you know, to make sure my scalp is really nice and clean and juicy or whatever. And then I'm going to section the hair into 2, taking the hair from the first section to the second section, and then securing it with the rubber band. This is the easiest rubber band hairstyle that I have done. So if you haven't done any of my rubber band hairstyles, sis, you better get into this one because it's gonna come all the way through, period. Okay, I want to give you some easy peasy lemon squeezy styles that you know you can do by yourself and you're out in the streets looking like a whole lot of money. Okay, I'm going to separate my natural hair into 2 and then give it a little tug. I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to my natural hair, and then I'm going to twist it all the way down. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. So I have 3 sections on this side. So the last section, I'm going to do the same exact technique, taking my shine and jam, applying it to the hair, and then sectioning my hair into 2, taking the hair from the second section to the third section, and then using my rubber band to secure it. But not way too tight, sis, that you're gonna break your hair or anything like that. Okay, section the hair into 2, give it a little tug. I'm not going to twist it all the way down because I want to take the hair from the third section, combine that with the hair in the back, and slick it down together. I'm going to section the hair into 3 as well on the other side, but I'm going to show you guys from the second section. Okay, taking my shine and jam, applying it to the hair, making sure it is really nice and sleek or whatever. Section my hair into 2, taking the hair from the first section to the second section, and then using my rubber band to secure it, making sure I give myself a little tug, that way it is nice and snug, but not way too tight, sis, that you're gonna break your hair or anything like that. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam and then apply it to the hair, the remaining of the hair, and just twist it all the way down. But while I'm still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what's juicy. Yes! Taking taking the hair from the second section to the third section, and then using my rubber band to secure it. I'm not going to twist it all the way down because I want to take the hair from the third section, combine that with the hair in the back, and slick it down together. So I'm going to start working with the middle piece. So I'm going to section that into two. So I'm just going to go straight in the middle exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to take my shine and jump just to make sure the line is really nice and clean. And then I'm going to start sectioning one box at a time. So one box on each side, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section that, making sure I'm going straight to the line where I have the other boxes, because you know I'm a perfectionist, so I want everything to look really, really cute or whatever. But if it's not that straight, sis, don't stress. It's going to look cute regardless. Okay, sis, I'm going to take my shine and jump, apply it to the hair, making sure it is really nice and sleek, and then I'm going to take my rubber band and secure that. So once I secure it, I'm just going to section my hair into two, give it a little tug, exactly the way I did with the other ones. And then I'm going to use my shine and jam, apply it to the remaining of the hair, and twist it all the way down. So you see, guys, it's looking really, really nice and sleek, right? I'm not going to be doing this too tight. I want to make sure it's tight, but not, you know, uncomfortable. Anyway, so I'm going to do the same exact technique on the other box in the front. Take my shine and jam, apply it to the hair, taking my rubber band and securing it exactly the way I'm doing. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Section the hair into two and give it a little tug, and then I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to the hair, and then twist it all the way down. And then once I get to the second section, so I'm going to start going in a zigzag crisscross kind of way. So what I'm going to do is I'll do the same exact technique, but I'm going to take my shine and jam, apply it to the hair, and then I'm going to section my hair into two. Then I'm going to take the hair from the first box to the second box in a zigzag crisscross form though, okay? So I'm going to be taking it from the opposite direction. It's not straight now. Make sure you're taking it from the opposite direction exactly the way I'm doing. Take your rubber band and secure it. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Shout out goes to Lucy's Kitchen. Thank you so much, Lucy, for sticking with me. Thank you so much for all the support, for all the love. I really, really appreciate you. You are a real one today. Okay, sis. Make sure you check out my sister's YouTube channel too, because listen, she's killing it as well. She does her cooking thing, okay? Make sure you check her out. And that's my sister. Hey, sis. I'm going to separate my natural hair into two and then give it a little tug. Then I'm going to take my shine and jam, apply it to the hair, and then just twist it down. As I already told you guys, I'm twisting it down just because my hair is really thick and I love it to look this way. I love when it's like really nice and laid, okay? But if your hair is not as thick as mine, you can actually just piggyback it from one section to the other section, sis. The last section, I'm going to do the same exact technique, taking my shine and jam, applying it to the hair, and then sectioning my hair into two, taking the hair from the second section to the third section, and then using my rubber band to secure. I'm not going to twist it all the way down because I want to take the hair from the third section, combine that with the hair in the back, and slick it down together. Because sister, we're about to be looking cute out in the streets. Period. I'm going to be using my HAIRSTYLES gel, my water bottle, and my Diana brush, as well as my scrunchie to secure this, okay? I'm going to take my water bottle and spray the rest of the hair in the bag, sis. So this is going to be easy. This hairstyle right here takes me 30 minutes to do, sis. When I tell you it is easy peasy lemon squeezy, I'm trying to give you styles that are easy peasy. Listen, we're about to save time, money, and everything in 2022. I mean, that's the whole point. We're about to be looking like a whole lot of money on a budget. When I tell you this hairstyle right here cost me $8.99, and sis, that's about it. Hell. Once I'm done slicking my hair down, I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure everything is nice and laid, everything is nice and situated. And once I do that, I'm just gonna take my styling strip and make sure everything is laid all the way down. And you already know I have to make sure everything is good with silk scarf from our website. Make sure you check us out, get a thing or two over there, sis. I will put everything in the description below. I'm going to be using this X-pression here, and this is 52 inches. It comes 3 in a pack, and I'm going to be using 2 pieces, okay? And I'm just gonna take it out of the pack exactly the way I'm doing, taking the rubber band that it comes with off. And then I'm going to combine those two together. I'm going to be securing it with the scrunchie exactly the way I'm doing. Using my brush just to make sure everything is nice and brushed down. The hair looks like it's real natural hair or whatever. And I'm just gonna place it on my head exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm just going to flip the hair. And I'll take a little piece from the side, going round just to make sure it is nice and situated. It is nice and secure. It actually looks like it is growing out of my scalp, sis. Okay, so just make sure you're really nice and securing this piece right here. Just gonna take my bobby pin and secure it. And baby, when I tell you this hairstyle came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this ponytail kind of situation going on. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this, because I am living for this style right here. When I tell you it is easy peasy lemon squeezy, you better believe it. And it took me 30 minutes to do, and I was out the door, sis. When I tell you I am feeling myself, I feel like a whole lot of money, period. You know me, I gotta give you a whole lot of styles from this style right here. It's just gonna give you a bun, okay? So I'm just gonna be twisting the hair exactly the way I'm doing, and then I'm just going to start making this into a bun, okay? And this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is the easiest hairstyle that you can do. Once I'm done going round, I'm just gonna take my bobby pin and secure it. And baby, this little cute bun came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this bun kind of situation as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it, because listen, I want you guys to try all the styles that I'm showing you right here. Just going to separate the hair into 2 and just give it a twist. Okay, so I'm just going to twist it down exactly the way I'm doing. Very, very easy. And when I tell you this little twist ponytail came all the way through, you better believe me. I am feeling this style right here. I am looking like a whole lot of money. I mean, come on. Who gonna check me, boo? Who? Okay. Style number 4, sis, I'm going to be using this hair piece. It has 1 comb on the top, 1 on the bottom, and then 2 combs on the side. And it also has a drawstring. I love this hair piece because you can wear it as a half wig, you can wear it as a ponytail, you can wear it as a half wig the way I'm wearing it right here. So I'm going to place it on my head, and I'm going to use the combs to secure it. And I'm also going to be using this drawstring just to make sure it is nice and secure, sis. And baby, when I tell you this hair piece came all the way through as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. Let me know if you guys are feeling this hair piece right here, because I will make it happen for you guys, okay? And I love how natural it looks. It looks like Miss Tupo1 grew her hair from 0 to 100 real quick, sis. You know me, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So I'm just gonna grab these little gold accessories and place them here and there and everywhere. Baby, when I tell you this gold accessories came all the way through. Yes, sis. I am living for this hairstyle right here. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, which one you're going to be trying first, because I want you guys to try them all. And make sure you're tagging me on Instagram at Tupo1. And you know, you better watch your girl on TikTok as well, because I'm doing my thing over there too. Okay, anyway, but thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the real MVPs. Make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.